Welcome to TagoIO. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Google Analytics with TagoRUN for your IoT solution. Before you begin, you will need to create a dashboard and give access to the users who can visit your website. We'll start by going to Run, adding our domain, and then saving. There are multiple tools available to us in Run. We're just going to use integrations to set up Google Analytics. We'll go to User Engagement. And here we just need the tracking ID from Google Analytics. So we're going to go to our website and sign in. And from here we can locate our dashboard. And we can see that's working. So we're going to go to Analytics and then paste that address of our website. And if you already have Google Analytics, you can do this under Add Property. Here we will just copy the tracking ID and then paste it back in TagoRUN. And that's it. We can then save, and the website is now being monitored and analyzed. So if we go back to our website and then go back to Google Analytics, we can see that it has recorded that it has one active user right now. For more information, you can visit our website and access our documentation. Thank you for watching.